Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited today because we're doing another unboxing, again with N.Y&Co. So if you watched my, what month is it? January video, then you heard the whole backstory on how I got to partner with them, but basically I'm getting a little package from them every single month full of some of their new arrivals. So I'm really excited to show you what I got this month. So before I get started, I know by the time this posts, it will probably be March. And there's a reason for that. So I get my code for N.Y&Co. like beginning of the month, place my order like ASAP so I can get my product as soon as possible. We had a crazy month this month with like snowstorms across the country, like New York to Texas to the West Coast. Everyone was like blanketed in snow, and that really slowed down the shipping of a lot of products, including this one because it came from the East Coast. So I just received this week, like end of February, which normally their shipping is super duper fast. So I know this was just because of unforeseen weather circumstances, but I got my package and I'm going to show you what I got this month. So first things first, just the classic white button up. So this style, probably for the last, probably over a year, this has come back in fashion, kind of like the menswear inspired button up. And I was always like, no, that seems boring. I don't like it. But shout out to one of the designers in our office, Jordan. She was wearing like a gray button front shirt with like leggings, and it was just like the chicest thing ever. And I was like, okay, maybe I'm down with the button-ups. So I got this button front top that is like high-low. Obviously just came out of the package, so I will be ironing this, but it's just like the classic crisp button front, and then it is longer length, so you could do this easily with leggings, or you could tuck it in, do it a different way. And it has, the sleeves are rolled right now, but you could do them full length as well. So it's just such a classic piece that you can wear a million different ways. And I actually think that's what I'm gonna do this month for our photo shoot, is do like this shirt 5 different ways or something like that, just to show you how versatile it really is. So stay tuned for that. So with the new arrivals this month, there was a ton of new denim styles, and there were 2 that I just could not decide between. I hope I made the right choice. So the other denim style that I did not get was kind of like, I know it's coming back in style, the culotte, like kind of wide, middle of the calf length denim pant. And I just thought that was so cute because I'm a big shoe person and I work for a footwear brand now. So I have tons of cute new shoes that I want to show off. And that like culotte length makes it really easy to pair with statement shoes. So there was those, but I got the dreamy, curvy boyfriend semi-distressed jean, which these are also really cute. I only have like one other pair of distressed jeans, and they're from American Eagle. I got them like 2 years ago, and they're a lighter wash. So this one is a little bit darker, and I just thought they were so cute. I love a good distressed jean, even though, comment down below if when you wear distressed jeans to family functions, if they give you a hard time and ask you if you got in a fight with a lawnmower, or if things aren't going so well and you need money for new pants, or what's another one? Oh, I have pants like that, but I distress them myself over like 20 years of hard work. Those are the kinds of comments I get if I wear distressed jeans to a family function. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, last but not least, this is a super pretty dress. So I've talked a lot about body image, gaining weight, and stuff like that on my channel lately. So a lot of my dresses, I haven't really bought new dresses in a while. I bought, I think, 2 from Evereve during quarantine, which I love, but the rest of them were from me like 20 pounds ago. So I don't have a lot of new dresses, and it's almost springtime despite the winter storms. So I wanted to get a new dress that I could wear for spring. So this one is really cute. It's a wrap dress, but it's kind of got that like tulip skirt wrap bottom. Oh, it's just so pretty. And then it has a bubble sleeve, again 3/4 length. And I just love the abstract print of this. You could get away with wearing this in the winter because it's kind of like darker, moodier colors, but it also leans a little bit floral. I'll show you up close so you can get a better view of this color situation. But look how pretty this is. I just love that. It's very like artsy, and I can't wait to try it on. But yes, I had to get something that was bright and colorful because just a white button up and jeans, I need something with color. So I got this and I was so excited about it. So those are the 3. Weather depending, we're gonna go out and do a photo shoot tomorrow so I can show you how to style all of these pieces, including the white top. Probably do like how to wear 3 or 5 different ways. We'll see how creative I get. But thank you so much for joining me today.
What I'm about to tell you's gonna turn you on your head, 'cause you gotta understand, You see me as a failure 'cause I'm cleaning up your mess, but I'd look harder in that dress, Showstopper, 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 showstopper. No.